So lesson 6, we have a word hadihi. This word hadihi means this. So we have learned hada, a word hada, right? This hada also means this. So the difference is this word hadihi is used with feminine words, feminine nouns. When we point to something and we say a feminine word, we point to it, then we say hadihi. This hada we point to masculine things, right? So in Arabic, the nouns are either masculine or feminine. So we have masculine or feminine. So when we are pointing to some noun, it can be object or a person. If we are pointing to a masculine noun, we say hada. We use hada. And for feminine, we'll be using hadi. Hadi is for feminine. So we have ad-darsu sadisu. Ad-darsu sadisu means lesson 6. Hadihi. Hadihi means this. Now, there is one picture you can see here. A boy is sitting and a girl is standing. So suppose the boy is Hamid's son. So Ibnu Hamidin. Ibnu Hamid means Hamid's son. And the girl is suppose Yasir's daughter. So Bintu Yasirin. Ibnu Hamidin Bintu Yasirin. Now Ibnu Hamidin, someone's son, Hamid's son, this is masculine, right? And Bintu Yasirin, this is feminine. Feminine. Now if I want to say this is Hamid's son, so we say Hada. Hada ibnu Hamidin. And if I point to this girl and say this is Yasir's daughter, so we use Hadihi. Hadihi bintu Yasirin. So this is what is coming. So we say Hada ibnu Hamidin wa Hadihi bintu Yasirin. Hada ibnu Hamidin wa Hadihi bintu Yasirin. So what does it mean? Hada ibnu Hamidin means this is Hamid's son. وَهَذِهِ بِنْتُ يَاسِرٍ, and this is Yasir's daughter. Now we can see that Hamid's son is sitting and Yasir's daughter is standing. So how to say that? Suppose I want to say Hamid's son is sitting. So we say Ibnu Hamidin Jalisun. Ibnu Hamidin Jalisun. We say this. Ibnu Hamidin Jalisun. This means Hamid's son is sitting. Hamid's son is sitting. Wa bintu Yasirin waqifatun. Wa bintu Yasirin, Yasir's daughter, waqifatun. Waqifatun means standing. Bintu Yasirin waqifatun. You can see this Tamarbuta is coming, right? This Tamarbuta, it's the word original is waqifun. 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 Waqifun means standing. So when we use this word with feminine gender, so we say waqifatun. Bintu Yasirin waqifatun. But this word jalisun we are using with masculine, right? So son of Hamid is sitting. So we say Ibnu Hamidin jalisun. Suppose Hamid's daughter, if Hamid's daughter was sitting, we would have said Bintu Hamidin jalisatun. Bintu Hamidin jalisatun, right? Similarly, if it was Yasir's son that was standing, so we would have said Ibnu Yasirin waqifun. Ibnu Yasirin waqifun, right? So this is how we have to use. Then next picture, we say uktul muhandisi. This word uktun, right? So we have uktun. Uktun means sister. So uktul muhandisi means engineer sister. Al muhandis means engineer. Uktul muhandisi, engineer's sister. Now if I ask man hadhihi, who is this? We can say hadhihi uktul muhandisi. Hadhihi uktul muhandisi. This is the engineer's sister. Then another question is coming. Ahiya aidan muhandisatun. So first it is coming hadhihi uktul muhandisi. This is engineer sister, then the natural question can be, is she also an engineer? Hiya aidan muhandisatun. This muhandisa, this is used for feminine, right? Since this is a girl, a lady, we say muhandisatun. So for masculine we use muhandisun, for feminine muhandisatun, right? So this sentence we could have written here if it was this. Here muhandisatun, right? Muhandisatun. So here muhandisatun means she is an engineer. So if I put Hamza before it, it becomes a question. Hiya muhandisatun. Is she an engineer? Then this word aidan, this means also. This means also. So if I say hiya aidan muhandisatun, hiya aidan muhandisatun, this means is she also an engineer? Since his brother is engineer, the natural question could be, is she also an engineer? Hiya aidan muhandisatun. The answer is coming. We can already see she has one stethoscope, right? She looks like a lady doctor. So the answer is coming. La hiya tabibatun. La hiya tabibatun. No, she is a lady doctor. Then this picture, this is a car, right? In Arabic we say sayyaratun. Sayyaratun means car. Suppose this is principal's car. So how we say? Sayyaratul mudiri. Sayyaratul mudiri means principal's car. Now we say as-sayyaratu means the car. As-sayyaratu means the car. Now if we say hadhihi sayyaratu, hadhihi sayyaratu means this car. This car. We are pointing to this car. So if I say hadhihi sayyaratu means this car. This is not a sentence, right? But we have seen if I say هذه هذه سيارة هذه سيارة هذه سيارة means this is a car. But if I put al before sayyara and we say هذه السيارة, the meaning becomes this car is no longer a sentence, right? This car. So we are pointing to the car. We are saying this car belong to someone, right? So hadhihi sayyaratun means this is a car. But if I say hadhihi sayyaratu means this car. So this is not full sentence. So now the question, suppose we are asking liman hadhihi sayyaratu. We know hadhihi sayyaratu means this car. Liman, man means who. If we say liman, it becomes whose. So this means liman hadhihi sayyara means whose is this car? Whose car is this, right? So the answer will be, because we know this is sayyaratul mudir. So we say hadhihi sayyaratul mudiri. Hadhihi sayyaratul mudiri. This is principal's car. Hadhihi sayyaratul mudiri. This is principal's car. Next picture is coming. We have mikwatun. Mikwatun. See, one thing you might have noticed that this Tamarbuta, we call it Tamarbuta, right? This is marbuta means tied up ta. So we have normal ta. So we have baitun. This word baitun. Baitun we know baitun means a house. This ta is a normal ta, regular ta. But if you see this ta, suppose this ta, this is normal ta, then you tie it up. So it become ta marbuta. So this literally it means tied up. This ta is tied up. We call it ta marbuta. So mikwatun means an iron, right? So we can ask ma hadhihi. What is this ma hadhihi? Then answer will be hadhihi mikwatun. Hadhihi mikwatun. This is an iron. Then this picture we know hakibatun. Hakibatun means bag, right? So hakibatun. This also has ta marbuta. Hakibatun. Hakibatun. So this is also Tamarbuta. So when we have a noun, a word that has Tamarbuta at the ending, in Arabic, normally we consider it as feminine word, right? So Hakibatun will be feminine word. So liman hadhihi. So when we ask question, we'll say liman hadhihi. We don't say liman hadha. Liman hadhihi. Liman hadhihi means whose is this? So liman means whose. Hadhihi means this. Whose is this? So the answer could be hadhihi li Khalidin. Hadhihi li Khalidin. This is Khalid's. This, or you can say this belongs to Khalid. The same meaning. You can either say uh, this is Khalid's or this belongs to Khalid. Then we have a bicycle. In Arabic, we call it darajatun. Darajatun. So the question is coming, adarajatu anasin hadhihi. So you can see darajatu anasin means Anas's bicycle. Darajatu anasin, the bicycle of Anas. So if I say adarajatu anasin hadhihi, is this Anas's bicycle or is this the bicycle of Anas? The answer could be la, hadhihi darajatu ammarin. So darajatu ammar means Ammar's bicycle, right? Hadhihi darajatu ammarin. Hadhihi darajatu ammarin. So we are saying no, la, no. Hadhihi darajatu ammarin. This is Ammar's bicycle. Hadhihi jadidatun. Hadhihi jadidatun. This is new. Jadida means new. So jadid means new. Jadid. Since we are using for daraja, that is feminine, we are using hadhihi. So we say hadhihi jadidatun. If something we say new book, we say hadha kitabun, hadha jadidun. But we are saying for daraja, bicycle, we say hadhihi darajatun, hadhihi jadidatun. Then we are saying darajatu wa darajatu anasin qadimatun. Since we are saying la hadhihi darajatu ammarin, this is Ammar's bicycle, hadhihi jadidatun, this is new, and Anas's bicycle is old. So what do we say? Wa darajatu anasin qadimatun. So we know qadimun. Qadimun means old. Qadimun. So this word will be used for a masculine word. Suppose if we say qalamun qadimun, al qalamu qadimun, the pen is old. Pen is masculine, so we use qadimun, al qalamu qadimun. But daraja is feminine, so we use darajatu anasin qadimatun wa darajatu anasin qadimatun. And Anas's bicycle is old. This is new. This does not belong to Anas. So we know Anas's bicycle. Suppose we know it. Anas's is old. So we are saying wa darajatu anasin qadimatun. And Anas's bicycle is old. Then this is watch. So was, we know, already have found this word. Was means sa. In Arabic, was means sa'atun. So hadhihi sa'atu aliyin. Sa'atu aliyin means Ali's was. Hadhihi sa'atu aliyin. This is Ali's was. Hiya jamilatun jiddan. Jamilatun means beautiful. Hiya jamilatun, it is beautiful. Jiddan means very. So this word jiddan is qualifying the beauty of this was, right? So we say hiya jamilatun jiddan. Hiya jamilatun jiddan. It is very beautiful. Then this picture, you can see this is a spoon and this is a cooking pot, or you can say kettle, right? Kettle. So this is spoon. So in spoon, in Arabic we call it mil'akatun. So hadhihi mil'akatun. Hadhihi mil'akatun. This is a spoon. Wa hadhihi kidrun. Wahadhihi kidrun, and this is a cooking pot or a kettle. Now you can see kidrun, we are using hadhihi, right? With kidrun we are using hadhihi, but there is no Tamarbuta here. There is no Tamarbuta at the ending. So there are some words that that are used feminine, but there is no sign on it. We don't see any sign here. Like we use kolamun, right? We have kolam, kolamun. Kolamun is masculine. We say hada, hada kolamun. Similarly, kidrun also similar to kolamun, right? There is no tamarbuta here, but still this word is feminine. This is used as feminine. So we say hadihi kidrun, hadihi kidrun. This is a kettle, right? So mil'aqatun is fine. We have ta marbuta here, so we are using feminine. So hadhihi mil'aqatun. This is a spoon. Wa hadhihi qidrun. And this is a kettle or a cooking pot. Then we are saying al mil'aqatu fil qidri. Al mil'aqatu fil qidri. Al mil'aqatu means the spoon. Fil qidri means in the kettle. So the spoon is in the kettle. So we say al mil'aqatu fil qidri. Al mil'aqatu fil qidri. The spoon is in the kettle. Then next picture is coming. We have bakaratun. Bakaratun means cow. So we say hadhihi bakaratul fallahi. Bakaratun means cow. So bakara. Bakaratun. Bakaratun means cow. Al fallah. Fallahun means farmer. Fallah means farmer. So we say hadhihi bakaratul fallahi. Hadhihi bakaratul fallahi. So bakaratul fallah means the farmer's cow. Hadhihi we are using because bakara. Bakara is feminine. We have this is cow anyway. This is the real gender, right? Cow is feminine. So we say hadhihi bakaratul fallahi. This is the farmer's cow. Then we have picture of nose. Now the interesting thing is coming. So whatever organ we have in our body, most of the time, if it is single, right? Nose, we have one nose, we have one head, one belly. So these words will be used as masculine. So we say hada anfun. Anfun means a nose. Hada anfun. This is a nose. Then this word, this is mouth, right? In Arabic, we call it famun. Mouth is famun. So we say hada famun. We have only one mouth, so this is used as masculine word in Arabic. So we say hada famun. Hada famun. We don't say hadhi famun. We say hada famun. This is a mouth. Then we have ear, right? We have two ears. It is coming in pairs. So whatever organ, most of the time, that comes in pairs in our body, that will be used as feminine. Similarly, this ear will be feminine and eye also will be used as feminine. So when we say ear, ear is udhunun. In Arabic, we used udhunun, the word udhunun. So we say hadhihi, hadhihi udhunun. This is an ear. Wa means and. Wa hadhihi ainun. Ainun means eye. So we use hadhihi. Hadhihi ainun. Hadhihi udhunun. Hadhihi udhunun. Wa hadhihi ainun. So this is an ear and this is an eye. Then similarly we have two hands. So hands also will be as used as feminine, and leg also will be as used as feminine, right? So hand in Arabic we call it yadun. Yadun means hand and rijlun means leg. So we say hadhihi yadun wa hadhihi rijlun. Hadhihi yadun wa hadhihi rijlun. This is yadun, yadun, and this is rijlun, rijlun. Rijlun means leg, yadun means hand. So we say hadhihi yadun wa hadhihi rijlun. This is a hand and this is a leg. Then we have read and write exercises coming. Ikra waqtu, read and write. So we have some practice. Hadha masjidun. Hadha masjidun. This is a masjid. وهذه مدرسة. وهذه مدرسة, and this is a school. So madrasa means school. وهذه مدرسة. من هذه. من هذه. We remember that man means who, and this is used to ask question about people, not object, right? So if there is any object we want to ask what is this, we say ma hadha or ma hadhihi. But if there is a person, we ask like man hadha or man hadhihi. So we are asking man hadhihi, that means we are pointing to a person, feminine gender, and asking who is this. So hadhihi uktu abbasin. Uktun we know, sister, right? Sister. So hadhihi uktu abbasin means, uktu abbas means Abbas is sister, sister of Abbas. Hadhihi uktu abbasin, this is sister of Abbas. Then coming hadha dikun. Hadha dikun, this is a rooster. Wahadhihi dajajatun. Wahadhihi dajajatun. Dajajatun means hen. Wahadhihi dajajatun, and this is a hen. هذا ابن المدير. هذا ابن المدير وهذه بنت المدرس. هذا ابن المدير وهذه بنت المدرس. So هذا ابن المدير means this is the principal's son. وهذه بنت المدرس. وهذه بنت المدرس, and this is the teacher's daughter. Then we have هذه أم ياسر. هذه أم ياسر, this is Yasir's mother. So ummun, the word ummun. So ummun means mother. So mother is feminine, real gender. We don't look for any sign. So the most prominent sign is Tamarbuta, we know, right? We don't look for Tamarbuta when we have a word that has real gender, right? Like mother, father. So any person, we know their gender, right? So hadhihi ummu yasirin. So we use hadhihi. Hadhihi ummu yasirin. This is Yasir's mother. And this is a fridge. The picture may not looking like a good fridge, but this is a fridge, right? So fridge we call in Arabic thallajatun. Thallajatun. Thallajatun means fridge. So we have a question here. Aina kidrul lahm. Kidr means cooking pot or a kettle, right? So aina kidrul lahm. Lahm means meat. Lahm means meat. So aina kidrul lahm means where is the meat pot or meat kettle? That means the kettle that has meat, right? Aina aina here. So where it is? So the answer will be hiya fi thallajati. Hiya fi thallajati. It is, here means it. It refers to kidr, because we know kidr is feminine, right? So that's why we're using hiya here. So hiya fi thallajati means it is in the fridge. Next, we have a window here. So this window in Arabic, it can be called shubak or nafida. So here we will be using nafidatun. So nafida means window. Nafidatun means window. So suppose we are pointing to a door, we say hadha babun. Hadha babun. This is a door. And if I point to a window, we can say hadhihi nafidatun. Hadhihi nafidatun. This is a window. So we are using hadhihi because nafidatun has tamarbuta here. This is tamarbuta. So this is considered as feminine. So this will end today's lesson.